Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question. 4x plus 3y is equal to 3 and we have to find the value of 81 raised to the power x into 27 raised to the power y. So what will be the value of 81 raised to the power x into 27 raised to the power y? So 81 raised to the power x will be equal to prime factorization of 81 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and its whole power is x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 4 into whole power x. As we know that a raised to the power m whole power n is equal to a raised to the power mn by exponential rule. So it will become 81 raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power 4x. Similarly, 27 raised to the power y is equal to 27 is same as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and its whole power is y, which will be equal to 3 raised to the power 3 and its whole power y. Same exponential rule we will apply here, so it will become 3 raised to the power 3y. It means 27 raised to the power y is equal to 3 raised to the power 3y. So 81 raised to the power x into 27 raised to the power y will be equal to 3 raised to the power 4x into 3 raised to the power 3y. Bases are same, so powers will be added, so it will become 4x plus 3y. And it is given that 4x plus 3y is equal to 3, so it will become 3 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 27. It's mean 81 raised to the power x into 27 raised to the power y is equal to 27. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.